Hello there, this is John V, Software Evangelist at Jscape, and you're watching another Jscape MFT Server tutorial. In this video, we'll teach you how to detect credit card data in your managed file transfer server. This feature can come in handy if you need to meet certain requirements in PCI DSS and other similar data protection laws and regulations. If your FTP, SFTP, FTPS, or other similar file transfer server can automatically detect credit card data, it will enable you to take appropriate action in the event such data is found. In Jscape MFT Server, automatic detection of credit card data can be achieved by using the built-in DLP or data loss prevention feature. Let me give you a sample scenario showing what it does so you can better appreciate this feature. Let's say you have a folder shared by a group of users, and then one day, user 1 unknowingly uploads a file containing credit card data into that shared folder. Now, a couple of days later, user 2 logs in and attempts to download the same file. Without DLP, user 2 would be able to download the file, and that could potentially lead to an unwanted data leak. But with DLP, user 2 wouldn't be allowed to download the file. Let's now go through the steps of setting up Jscape MFT Server to achieve this. Log into your Jscape MFT Server Manager and open the domain that holds the accounts of the users in question. We'll be assuming the users in question all belong to the same group. Now, to enable DLP on this group's virtual path, edit that group and edit the said path. Tick the Enable DLP checkbox and click the Settings button. Click the Add button to add a DLP rule. Select a DLP rule from the drop-down list, for example, MasterCard. Also select the level of access that would be implemented should a match for this DLP rule is found. Let's be ultra paranoid and just select Deny All. Make sure the Enable checkbox is ticked, and then click OK when done. That DLP rule will then be added to the list of rules for that virtual path. Of course, you may add more DLP rules. And really, in a real-world scenario, you'll want to add DLP rules for the other credit cards like American Express, Diners, Visa, etc. But for this demo, let's just use one. You're now done applying DLP on your group folder. All that's left now is to configure the server to update its index upon each file upload. Go to Settings, Search Index, and then tick the Update Index upon File Upload checkbox. So now, as soon as a user uploads a file to the group folder, and that file contains content that match the DLP rules, any succeeding attempt to download that file will be denied. That's it. Now you know how to detect credit card data on Jscape MFT Server.